step into the Toyota 2012 Tundra 2WD truck parade. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: fabric seat trim, WSR5 package, SR5 package, tow package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM WCD player, CD player, interface kit for iPod and radio, AM/FM audio, WCD MP3/WMA playback. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.